In this video, Surah Bakarah 13 to 22 ayat meanings. 13 ayah meaning, and when they are told believe as other believe, they reply, will we believe as the fools believer. Indeed, it is they whoever falls, but they do not know. 14 ayah meaning, when they meet the believers, they say we believe, but when along with their evil associates, they say we are definitely with you. We were only mocking. 15 ayah meaning, Allah will their mockery back at them, leaving them to continue wandering blindly in their deficiencies. 16 ayah meaning, they are the ones who trade guidance for misguidance, but this trade is profitless and they are not nightly guided. 17. Their example is that of someone who kindless of fire, but when it lights up all around them, Allah takes away their light, leaving them in complete darkness, unable to see. 18. They are willfully deaf, dumb, and blind, so they will never return to the right path. 19. Or those caught in a rainstorm from the sky with darkness, thunder, and lightning, they press their fingers into their ears at the sound of every thunder, clap for fear of death, and Allah encompasses the disbelievers by His might. 20. It is if the lightning were about to snatch away their sight whenever lightning strikes. 21. O humanity, worship your Lord who created you and those before you, so that you may become mindful of them, knowingly set up equals to Allah in worship. 22. He is the one who has made the earth a place of settlement for you, and the sky a canopy, and sent down rain from the sky, causing fruits to grow as a provision for you, so do not they walk in its light. But when darkness covers them, they stand still. Had Allah willed, He could have taken away their hearing and sight. Surely Allah is most incapable of everything. Please subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching.